Listen, I'm not rich yet, but I'm finally free from being broke. You know that in between stage that nobody really talks about, where you know that you're not yet wealthy, but you've learned financial discipline, you've acquired valuable skills, and now your piece is no longer for sale. That's the stage I'm in, and I'm super thrilled to carry you along. Come, come, come. Now, let's talk about the practical ways that I've been able to smile at the bank as a new immigrant in America. Trust me, these are very practical. In fact, you can try them out. First of all, I'm a soldier in the United States Army. How did we get there? Story for another day. But one thing I can say for a fact is the most money I've made in my life came from the Army. Honestly, the Army has given me more than just a paycheck, although it's not all bed of roses. It could be tough. Yeah, it could be such a Herculean task. It's going to cost you blood, sweat, and tears. But at the end of the day, it's all worth it. Just don't die. Even if you die, your next of kin will thank you. The Army is really what you make out of it. Secondly, when I'm off the camo, when I'm not on my Army duties, and I'm not on my 8 hour shift job, I braid. Yes. Hairdresser, onidiri, I braid. Braiding money, too sweet. No tax. Listen and listen well, oh. Braiding is not a career for the weak, slow, and lazy. It is time-consuming and very, very draining. Before I went for my Army basic training, I braided so much I got burnt out. I was like, hell no, there has to be some other way to make this dollar. After a consistent week of braiding, ain't no way you're not smiling at the bank. Even in a day, with the right style and generous clients who tip you well, trust me, you're good. As a new immigrant in America or any country, if you've got hands-on skills like braiding, makeup, nail and lash, painting, dog walking, even babysitting, trust me, you're gonna make some bucks. Just don't be lazy. Kodema koja ye. Ma fagidi ṣe gbajúmọ̀, ẹ̀sìn ló máa end ẹ̀. Àwọn ẹgbẹ́ á máa jẹ 3 square meal, gbèsè ni wọ́n máa jẹ. Another way I smile at the bank, my 8 hour shift job. Yeah, I have a security job. So when I got tired of braiding and I was waiting to get into the Army, I decided to get a security job. All I had to do was get my security license and boom, I got hired. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. One thing I find funny is the fact that some people do not like to be seen in their security uniforms. LMAO. If you relocate and you think some jobs are beneath you, just go back home and enjoy your trust fund. MM1, MM2, they know they discriminate. Why don't you want to be seen in your job uniform because of what people will say? My last vacation, now waiting people go talk, I take book my flights. In fact, this morning when I was hungry, now waiting people go talk, I microwave chop. It's too sweet. Me, I'm too messy to be switching clothes before work. I just put on my uniform from my house and hop on the train when I have to. When there's an extra shift, I make sure to grab it. But when my sugar daddy calls, Uncle Sam, that's the Army, off I go, proudly. As a sharp babe that I am, of course, my future is important to me. So another thing I do on the side is stock. Yes, I have investments with S&P 500. I trade with Fidelity app. So according to your risk tolerance, if you've got some money, get into stocks. In addition to the earlier mentioned, as we speak, I'm also learning valuable skills that I intend to monetize, and I'm gonna carry you all along. But right now, it has not materialized, so let me just leave that aside. You are too broke not to be learning something. You stop learning when you die. Learn something. Copywriting, freelancing, influencing, SEO, website design, graphic design. Just learn something that's gonna make you a better person, make you a valuable person. Just learn something that's going to make your broadcast some money. Apparently, I'm one of those girlies that do not gatekeep. So for more updates like this, make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel and also follow my socials. Thank you very much.